Honorable Governor Mamintal Bombit Alonto Adjong Jr., our distinguished local government officials, partners, and esteemed participants, good morning. I would like to sincerely thank the United Nations Development Program for organizing this forum and for continuously supporting our local government units, including those of Lanao del Sur, in aligning with the goals of the National Renewable Energy Program and the National Determined Contribution Plan of the Philippines. In this important forum that seeks to strengthen our shared commitment to a more sustainable and resilient Lanao del Sur. The decisions we make now as leaders and policymakers will define the energy future of our province, our communities, and the generations to come. One of the most urgent challenges of our time is how to balance economic growth and development with the need to protect our environment and conserve our resources. Every kilowatt of renewable energy we generate lessens our dependence on fossil fuels and strengthens our energy security. This is why we encourage the incorporation of renewable energy and energy efficiency into the policy agenda of the local government units in the province of Lanao del Sur. Allow me to emphasize the critical importance of these in our hospitals and health facilities. Hospitals are among the most energy-intensive buildings with round-the-clock demand for electricity to power lights, ventilation, cooling systems, and life-saving equipment. Integrating solar photovoltaic systems into our hospitals can help reduce operating costs, ensure continuous power supply, and provide resilience during emergencies or grid interruptions. In times of disaster or crisis, uninterrupted power is not just a matter of convenience. It is a matter of saving lives. The installation of solar rooftops in hospitals, clinics, and government facilities will lessen reliance and mitigate Mindanao's heavy dependence on power from the grid. This initiative is expected to enhance energy security, optimize government resources for essential services, and align with the national climate and sustainability objectives. As leaders of this province, your role is crucial. By including renewable energy and energy efficiency projects in your priority agenda, you are not only investing in the energy, but also in health, education, economic resilience, and the well-being of your constituents. Let us move forward together in ensuring that Lanao del Sur shines as a beacon of sustainable energy leadership in Mindanao. Thank you, and I look forward to working hand in hand with you in advancing renewable energy and energy efficiency in this province. Isang makakalikasang araw po sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat.